Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for presencing here. Hope you are all doing well. I am Saad Bakar, 8th Sem Mechanical Department B section, and internship presentation on the topic of about manufacturing engineering under the guidance of Harish Babu Yelsa. So coming to the next slide, that is contents. In content slides, we have company profiles, types of machines, design selections, quality assurance section, and the tool shop, assembly, quality control sections, skills learned, and inspirations and the quality control as well. And coming to the last, that is conclusion. So coming to the next, this is the company profile. As we can see, the typical pictures which has been taken in our company while doing internships. And coming to the introductions, that is we did internship in a company so called as Om Sai Enterprises, was established in January 2012 with the intentions to serve our customers by giving the valuable services. The promoters of Om Sai have a good experience in the designs, manufacturing, assembly, testing, and proving the work holding systems like hydraulic, pneumatic, and mechanical fixtures. Presently, we have our strong footprint all over the South India for providing the fixtures, machines undertaken all over the jobs. And machining, fabrication, installations of the equipments are also the most important thing. We include new product development and automations. And this OMSI enterprises, which is spread over 2400 square feet and has manufacturing facilities which is milling, turning, as we learned in our second year mechanical lab section, and band saw cutting and the fabrications with the expertise workers in the company. So coming to the next slide, that is quality policy. OMSI enterprises will create a retain satisfied customers offering for the sale products or service which is responded to the customer expectations, and company customers will be supplied to the product and service of a given quality to be delivered by or be available by the given time. And the policies of the companies for the manufacturing and the supplies of the materials and the service quality is clean, defined, and meet over the requirement of the client. OMSI enterprises places a particular emphasis on operation and the maintenance, which is the most important thing, and the consistent achievements of the specific quality and the provisions of training and instructions of the employees as a system. So coming to the next slide, that is our customers and the supplied components. That the most important bridge we should have to construct between the customers and the components we should have to sell. The manufacturing of the Festo India Private Limited and the Wipro, GE, Mental Work, and the typical some of the pictures are shown in the Hydrocare Fluid Power Systems and the Tata Consulting Service, Global Axis, etc. So coming to the workshop requirement, that is lathe, CNC turning, and the BMP 50 TCS 24 VMC, grinding, surface grinding, and the bandwidth, cutting, saw cutting, drilling, draw milling, and etc. Types of machines. Center lathe machines, these are the most important thing which we learned in the while doing internships, that is the center lathe is used to manufacture the shape from the range of the materials including steels and the plastic. These machines is usually operated. And milling machines, these milling machines are also the most important thing. Milling machines are very versatile in the various things. They are usually used to machine the flat surface, but they can also be produce the irregular surface. So they can also be used to drill, bore, cut gears, and produce the slots. The types of the milling machines are the column knee type, manufacturing type, or the planer type milling machines, special types. So coming to the next slide, that is CNC machines. This CNC machining is often the last step in the metal manufacturing, or sometimes the only process involved in CNC machining is the capable of the meeting the tightest tolerance and the producing the most accurate prices product over and again. Vertical machining centers, the model DMF 180/7, the 3-axis vertical machining center, 8000 rpm spindle speed, and 0.20 mm positional accuracy. Vertical machining, also known as the milling, relies on the rotary cutters to remove the metal from the workpiece. And this also the same as the drilling machines. In the specifications, bench drilling machines and the model BATLI BOIBR 624, the drill bit rotates around its own axis and prices into the object. So coming to the next slide, that is cylindrical grinder. This is also the same as the similar type of the grinders, in which the cylinder grinder is the type of the grinding machine used to shape the outest of an object. The model HMT PV RBAV, and the distance between the 800 mm. So coming to the next slide, that is surface grinding machine. The surface grinding machine is used to produce a smooth finish and a flat surface. It is widely used abrasive machining process in which a spinning wheel covered in a rough particle grinding whilst cut shape of the materials and denominating for a workpiece or a smooth. Design section. The design section is based on the three types, mainly the sketching manual and the operating added CAD, that is a CAD. Quality assurance section. The quality assurance sections QA is a way of preventing the mistakes and defending in manufacturing products and providing avoiding the problems in the delivering the products or services. This is the main thing of the assurance sections of the quality. Tool shop. A machine shop is a room, building, or a company where machining, a form of a subtractive manufacturing, is done in a machine shop. Machinists use the machine's tools and cutting tools to make the part, usually of the metals or the plastic. These are all of about the tool shop. And the assembly, the act of the combining the components in manufacturing or resulting the assemblage. The quality control sections. The quality control sections QC is a process through which a business seeks to ensure that the quality is maintained or improved with the either reduce or zero errors. The zero error is the most important thing nowadays. We should have to be concerned of preparing a product in a company, which we must learn and kept in mind while doing the internship in the homes enterprises. Skills learned. Experience in inspections, line inspections, or the different types of the tools, and handling different types of the quality instruments like the profile, screw, gauge, and the vernier caliper, etc. Geometrical dimensioning and tolerance, GD and T. Designing, drawing, and reading analysis. Time management, team coordinations, and the team management. Gain knowledge in machine operations, quality inspections on the time product completions or delivery. So these are the main thing we skills learns in while doing internships. And inspections, quality control. First doing the designs and handedly designs and manufacturing and the inspections part, and these are also more linked with their cycles. And inspections process and objectives. Constraint on inspections, that is product volume, product cost, product functional performance, and the model of inspections, accuracy part and process. And conclusions. Mm, in conclusions, we have it was a wonderful learning experience at the OMSI Enterprises for 1 month, and gained a lot of insight regarding almost every aspect of plants. I was giving the exposures in almost all the departments at the plant, and the friendly welcome for all the employees in appreciating, sharing the experience, and giving their name of in wisdom which they have gained in a long journey. So this was my about topic. So thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to talk a few words about my topic. Thank you.